Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is over the Burger King Grilled Classic Dog. Yeah. Comes in a nice little paper sack. Like old English. Ah, look at that, baby. Oh, yeah. Hot dog. Burger King Grilled Dog. Classic. Yep. Got your old hot dog. Looks like mustard, ketchup, onions, and relish. Okay, here we go. Wow. Got a good grilled taste on the weenie. That's a funny word. Weenie. Picture in your mind the best hot dog that you've ever had in this world. Tastes just like that. This is a really good hot dog. Burger King, you get a hell yeah from me. Hell yeah! That's a good hot dog. Tastes just like it came off the grill. This has definitely become one of my favorite menu items from Burger King. That's awesome, Burger King. And it comes with its own little garbage bag. Look at that. Hell yeah. That's definitely a good hot dog. Well, anyway, that's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it always hardcore.